guys, so today is going to be another hair video. So basically I'm going to show you guys how I maintain my natural hair underneath wigs, but for now I'm just taking these braids out. I'm going to wash my hair, blow dry it, and then once it's blow drying we can plait it. I need to make them a lot smaller because this is just a bit too thick for the wig I'm trying to apply. Let's get started. So I'm just gonna take my braids out of my hair. And I just want to be very clear, like don't be like ripping it apart, because that's how you create single strand knots and breakage, and it just is not, it doesn't look cute. Okay, so this is that one piece, not one piece, this is one braid that I took down, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, 5, 6, almost forgot this one. I have 6 more to go. So I'm gonna take these down off camera, and I'll probably be back to you guys when I'm in the bathroom to wash my hair. So I'm about to pop into the shower, shampoo, condition my hair, and then we'll get going. Hey guys, so I finished washing my hair. I have extreme shrinkage, so yeah, it looks so much shorter than it actually is, but that's okay. I'm gonna part my hair into 4 different parts. So now that I have it in 4 big parts, I just like to break them into smaller parts using my clips and then get started on the hair. So I'm going to show you guys all the products I'm using, and then I'm going to show you guys how I do it step by step. So the first product that I'm going to put onto my hair is this Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner. I just use this all on my hair like this, and I don't normally do the front first. For this example, it's okay. I'm going to take Infusium Professional Treatment. So this is our original leave-in treatment, repair plus renew with argan oil and keratin. So this is how it looks, and I'm just going to spray this all in my hair, specifically going towards my ends. So the purpose of this is I'm not trying to get it curly. So normally I use products that make my hair more defined. This go round we're using products that make our hair shiny and products that help us stretch our hair. So I don't know if this is any good, honestly, but this is all that I had, so this is what I'm gonna use. If you can find a better one, definitely use that. I always put the most of this type of stuff on my ends because that's the part you want to keep or protect the most, and then I just put it on the rest of my hair. And then lastly, I promise this is the last product that I use. So this is called, I think, Mazzani, and it's a Thermo Smooth, and so this is a smooth guard. It's a smoothing serum, and it's for the prep stage, and this is step 3 in the prep stage. So this is how it looks. It's actually new, so I've never used this before. This is how it looks. It's super oily. I didn't expect it to be this oily. After I put all the products in my hair, I'm going to take this brush. Now this is a curl defining brush. However, I like to use this to detangle. So it's not really going to do much curl defining because I didn't use curl defining products. So you're not really going to see much of a difference anyways. But we're just going to go from our ends to our root. And now this is the brush I like to use before I blow dry, and I kind of just make sure everything really is detangled. Okay, So I would show you guys the blowout process. However, I want to start in the back first because I realize like this is gonna get wet again. So I might as well just start in the back first. So I'm gonna do that same thing to the rest of my hair, and then I'll be able to get back on to show you guys the next routine to blow dry my hair. So hey guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I put all the products in my hair that I just showed you guys, and then I had to like detangle everything. So now we're at the part where we're now blow drying. Got a new one, but I left it at my house because I am home for the winter break. So while I'm here, I'm just gonna use this old one. It's a Tour Maybelline Ceramic, warm. And we're gonna start off with the first one, and then if it's not enough, I'll go to the second one. I'm not trying to get it like blow out straight. I just wanted it blown out enough to where I can plait my hair pretty easily. So yeah, this is the first one. This is how it looks blow dried. I section my hair and then I add the products to each section and detangle it after each section. Once I'm finished with my whole head, then I get my blow dryer, but I part them a lot more neat. Just for the simple fact that if you're blow drying and you don't part it the right way, it could get stuck on another part. So you want to make sure that you part it decently so that you can just blow dry the area that you want. I start off on, it's very greasy. I start off on warm, and then the center, and I just kind of let it test run before I put the blow dryer onto my hair, and make sure that my hair is detangled before doing this, because if it's not and you do it, you will feel very much pain, especially if you're tender-headed. So I use a brush and I detangle it again just to make sure. Then once I know that it's like detangled to the best of its capability, I take this and I put it on what I just showed you guys, and I just start from the bottom and I move to the top. See how easy it is just going through, right? You just start from the bottom and you go all the way to the scalp. That's why you need a neat part, and just go down. And then you do that like 3 or 4 times, and then you're done. Yeah, I'm gonna do this to the rest of my head. It's so flowy. Just one side of my hair feels super lightweight, smooth, and now I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm fully done, and then we can start the plaiting. Hey guys, so this is my hair blown out. So much easier to part your hair when it's already detangled and straighter. So that's why I had to do this. So I like to start right at the end and get 3 strands, really tiny strands right there. I'm gonna speed it up and then I'll show you guys the final results. So my hair is all done. I love it so much more doing braids when my hair is blown out. It's a lot easier and it turned out so much neater and I love it. I'm going to bed.